Good day, all, and welcome back. So, today let's go through different shipping methods that can be configured and used in Odoo 14 e commerce. So, product delivery at customers' convenience is an unavoidable factor in today's business. So, not only e commerce website, but most of the online offline retailers also adopted the strategy for providing better consumer experience. So generally, shipment and deliveries are done by third-party services like providers like DHL, FedEx, UPS, etc. UPS, etc. So when you go to our app store, you can find here when you just search for delivery, you can find these providers. You can install from here. Require providers. So Odoo 14, Odoo ERP provides the option to configure different delivery methods with it. So it will simplify the operations like transportation, delivery cost calculation, shipment tracking. So in order to use delivery methods in Odoo, we have to install the application delivery cost. So you can see it is already installed module delivery cost. So this manages shipping methods. And in e-commerce module, for e-commerce modules also, you can see a module that is e-commerce delivery in order to add delivery cost to online sales. Okay, so it is enabled, it is installed. Now, when you go to website, here, when you go to configuration settings, here you can see Here you can see shipping cost in order to compute cost on orders. And here we can just click on the shipping methods to configure or create more shipping methods. Or we can come under configuration to configure shipping methods. So it is already enabled, so no issue. We can just directly come under configuration. Need to change the shipping address, then just enable this option. So while making sale, that is confirming order, can edit the address, that is delivery address. Just enable this option. Okay, now let's click on shipping methods. So we can see all the given, that is configured shipping delivery methods like free delivery charge, normal delivery charge. You can see three methods are already configured, created, and you can see one is published, that is free delivery charge is already published. So let me open it and show. So here when you edit free delivery charge, you can see here option to add the selective provider. So here you can see fixed price and based on rules are available for provider. So if you want to install more providers, that is third party, just click install more providers, you will be redirected to App Store. So from here, we can just click on the required, that is we can just install the required providers. So when you come back to shipping method, you can see here the UPS, for UPS providers, you can see the shipping methods added here. Okay, so let me edit this free delivery charge. You can see that UPS is added here as provider. So if we set the fixed price, then the delivery cost will be fixed amount, or it can be null or free delivery. So you can see here option to add fixed price. So we have a second option that is based on rules. This allows us to set the cost dynamically. So here we can add pricing rules for our method. So here we can just click on this add line, and here we can see option to add a condition, like it condition can be based on weight, volume, or as a that is weight into volume or price or quantity. So if you set volume, then volume like can set less, must be greater than or equal, less than equal to or equal to, okay, it must be less than or equal to 200. And then we can set the delivery cost for this rule, and here we can select anything. So in this way multiple pricing rules can be added here. So these conditions need to be satisfied in order to use this shipping method. So when you choose UPS, you can see here UPS configuration. Here we have a lot of information. You have to provide username, access key, package type, labels, then a lot other options like bill my amount, collect on delivery. Like this, we can see a lot of options for our when you use UPS provider, and we can see can provide description. So let me choose the first option, that is fixed price. And here if you want to add the company name, you can add here, that is specifically if you want to apply this shipping method to a company, or and we can also restrict this to publishing it to a website. Then here we can select see the delivery product. So already we have created a delivery product, free delivery charge, so it is selected here. And it is possible to set a margin rate. So I'm setting as 5, or we can set as 10. Then here we can mark free if order is above an amount. That is this, if you enable this option, then here we can set an amount. And if the order amount is above this amount, then delivery charge will be free. So I'm setting a fixed price like 500. So this is okay. Let it be 90. So cancel the fixed price here. So this, then it is possible to filter delivery carriers according to the delivery address of your customer. That is, we can restrict this shipping method to be available to certain countries. So we can select the countries, and we can also restrict to certain states, and we can provide a zip code, a zip range here. And we can also provide description that we have seen before. So we have provided fixed price as 90 and margin rate 10 and amount 1000. Okay, let me save this, and you can see this free delivery charge is already published. Okay, let me create one more also. And let me set it as based on rules, and add a pricing rule, like quantity must be less than or equal to 5, and delivery cost, let it be 100 plus 5 into quantity. And let me save this. Okay, so based on price rules, we have created a shipping method, and we can select the delivery product. So let me create a new product, demo delivery. And let me service. So here, save this. So it is not published, just publish this. I'm not providing any margin on rate or free amount. So to are configured. Now let's go to our e-commerce dashboard, and from there let's go to website. So I'm choosing a product here, and okay, so let me add this product to cart. So here you can see to quantity because already one quantity is added. Now when you process checkout, so here you can see the given delivery methods available for this product: free delivery charge and demo method. So for free delivery charge, you can see the amount, and for demo method also you can see the amount. So it is calculated based on the rule, and this one is fixed price. So you can choose any one of the delivery method from here, and we can pay now. Can click pay now. Okay, so let me come back to my shop, and here let me choose this product, and let me change the quantity to 6 and click add to cart. So when you process checkout, here you can see no price rule matching this order. Delivery cost cannot be computed. This is because we have set inside the price rule that quantity must be less than or equal to 5. But we have purchased, that is added 6 quantity to cart. Okay, and you can see 2 for this first product. So this cannot be used. This method cannot be used. So that's how we configure and make use of delivery methods or shipping methods in e-commerce website.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.